Hi, I'm in the Regencies of Dominion Valley, and I've got an incredible house that we've listed, and I want to show it to you. We've got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on 2 levels. We have this amazing loft with a full bedroom and bathroom and a huge loft area. And then downstairs we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms as well, a beautiful private back porch. But what makes this house truly unique is that the neighborhood that we're in, Regencies of Dominion Valley, they only built about a dozen of this floor plan. So this is truly a unique floor plan. It's over 2,600 square feet and it's a sweet peach. Can't wait to show it to you. Come on in. Join me in the living room. Great big living room, lots of space, and this wonderful 3-sided gas fireplace, which takes us into the family room. And come on into the kitchen and breakfast area. We have this really fun breakfast bar. Great big breakfast room. And right off to the side, you'll see the patio with beautiful pavers. It's a covered lanai, it's beautiful. And as you come into the kitchen, you know me, one of my favorite features, gas cooking. Have this great big pantry. Look how tall it is. It's wonderful. You can put everything in there. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinets. Come on through. As you come through the kitchen, it comes right into this big, beautiful dining room that is really nice and open concept living. Now come on into the master bedroom. In the master bath, we have this great soaking tub, a separate shower, and a double bowl sink. But what's really spectacular in this master bedroom is the size of it. This master bedroom has a huge bedroom area, and then look at this beautiful sitting area added on, and its own private exit to the patio. So come on down the hallway, right off the main living area, and we've got an extra bedroom and a full bathroom. So here's the full bathroom. It is beautiful, gorgeous tile. And right after that, we have this wonderful extra bedroom with lots of big windows and sunlight coming in. And upstairs, we have another full bathroom, full bedroom, and a gorgeous loft. It's actually quite large. So if you'd like more information about this house or a private tour, contact me directly. You can reach me at 703-402-4414. Talk to you soon.